Okay, I'm really excited. I've just got my box from Resin8, my free gift, which I'm going to unbox on behalf of Unravel and Unwind, CIC. And I've already opened the box so that I can open the top of the box so that I can do it. I'm quite impressed. There's eco-friendly packaging, which is nice to see. I like that. Okay, create with Resin8. Oh, the first thing in here actually is, look what I received from Resin8. Oh, sorry, that's a bit shaky, isn't it? And then look what I made. So when I make it, I'll show you that as well. Okay, so inside my box, I've got this package. I'll show you that in a sec. I've got some moulds that I bought as extras. And I've got a plastic tray to work on, which is great. So let's have a look inside the main package. Let's look. Okay, so separate that from that. It says craft kit, ideal for beginners, easy and fun to use. Packaged with love by Kim. Pretty Pendants. Okay, let's have a look. It's beautifully packaged. Has a nice leaflet in there, so I assume that's going to be what tells me how to do it. Yes, it is. Okay, so I've got all the instructions here. So when I make my first ever pendants, I'll show you what happens. And it's all wrapped up in some nice tissue paper. Okay, that is really good. Really love it. Loving this. I've got 2 bottles of coated resin here to make all the pendants that I want to make. One bottle is part A, resin, and the other bottle is part B, hardener. And the nice thing about this resin is that it's part 1 is 1-to-1, so that you don't have to actually measure anything clever. You actually can just put 1 part to 1 part, so that's really nice. I have, open the package. It's all very well sealed. There we go. I have a little mixing cup. I have a pair of gloves for safety. That's really cool. Like that. I've got a big mixing cup with it written in mils on the side. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little mixing cups and some stirrers so that I can actually prepare the resin to put in the moulds. Now the really exciting bit. What have I got in here? Ooh, I've got loads in here. Loads and loads. Wow. That is amazing. I've got 3 of these hearts. Okay, 3 hearts for jewellery. I've got 3 squares. There's 3 of those. And 3 teardrops. That's amazing, isn't it? 9 whole moulds. Oh no, there's another one. There's another one. There's 10 moulds. I can't hold them all in my hands. There's too many. There's far too many. I can't hold them all in my hands. That is going to take a lot of doing that. So yeah, 10 whole moulds. That's absolutely incredible. And not only that, I have all of the, oh, hang on, I'll try and pick them up without tangling them all up. I have all of the necklaces to go with them at all different lengths. I'll show you it all at the end on the paper so you can see everything that's there. That's unbelievable. Right, and there's more. I've also got a little pot of pink mica powder. Right. I've got 2 pots of purple glittery stuff. Sorry, I'll have to tell you exactly what that is when I do the video. And 1 pot of white. So that's amazing. I've got 3 whole pots of glitter there, of colouring things there. Sorry, I'm no expert at this, as you can tell, but that's the point. It's a beginner's kit. So I'll show you on the... I'll bring my thing down and I'll show you everything that I've got.